Only thing better than scent mail is American scent mail. Verde Fragrances. Space City Verde Fragrances. You know, for a small independent niche brand, pretty decent presentation, and he threw in a handful of samples too. Now, I've never smelled this before, it's a total blind buy, but I've heard a lot of people that I really trust talk about just how great it is. I'm unsure on the notes. If I can find them, I'll post them up here later, but this is just gonna be a good old-fashioned spray and sniff. Pressurized atomizer, gotta love it. Dude, that's clean. That is really, really nice. So right off the top, comes off very clean, fresh, a little bit sweet and fruity, tiny bit powdery. Man, that's nice. That's really, really nice. This is a little bit on the sweet side, but not so much as like one of those kind of teenage JPG sweetnesses. Just slightly candied, but a little bit powdery and still fresh. You know, probably overall pretty unisex, but I could definitely see guys wearing this. This is a special fragrance. The people that I've talked to about this, they weren't lying. Verde, dude, Space City, clean, fresh, sweet. I don't know if I call it so much masculine, maybe just like a tiny bit leaning masculine, but that's probably because I want it to be masculine. But shout out to my guy, Verde. Man, nice little presentation, good price. I think it's maybe around 50 bucks or something for this. Shipping it from Arizona to Oklahoma. I got it in like 3 days, 2 days before Christmas. That's awesome. So if you guys haven't checked out Verde Fragrances, you're looking for something new to try, I mean, this would be great spring and summer, but also really nice as like a daily fragrance. Do yourselves a favor, go check out Verde Fragrances. I'll tag him down below, put his website up there. Support small brands, support American fragrance. You don't have to go very far to smell good. American, bold, built different. Space City Verde Fragrances.